Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to install Avast Antivirus. Avast is a popular choice for protecting your computer from malware, viruses, and other online threats. In my demo, first of all, we need to download the Avast installer. Search this, open your prepared web browser, and go to the Avast official website. You'll be redirected to the download page. Click the download free antivirus or the equivalent button for the version you want to install. The download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder or the location where the installer was saved. Double click on the installer file to begin installation process and click this yes. If prompted by user account control, click yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. You now see the installation wizard. First select a prepared language if it's not already set, then click install to begin the installation. Avast will now starting to installing. This may take a few minutes. During this time, you might see some progress indicators. Additional prompts, just follow on the screen instruction. If you want to customize the installation, click on Customize. Here you can select additional components or features. For most users, the default settings are sufficient. After you make a selection, click Install or Continue again to proceed. Continue with free. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation on the screen. Just click Finish, exit the installer. Avast might ask you to restart your computer to complete the setup. After that, uh, you can now try the scan or click this Run First Scan. Then just wait for a moment to preparing the smart scan on the Avast Free Antivirus. And after that, the computer is already protected and already done to scan. Thanks for watching for my demo guys. I'm Justin Rain Sampana. Thank you. Hi guys, I will explain the how to use Turnitin and I will explain what is Turnitin helps to academic. So first one ser- uh search the Turnitin on web browser or what your recommended browser. After that, mm, accessing Turnitin is by logging into Turnitin through your institution portal or directly if you have a personal account. Submitting a document, choose the class or assignment, upload your document, and provide any required details. After submission, Turnitin will generate a report showing the similarity between your text and other sources. Use this report to identify potential plagiarism and ensure a proper citation. And the other one is the similarity report will highlight match sections and provide a percentage of similarity examined. This matches to ensure that your work is original or properly cited. If necessary, edit your document to address your highlighted issues and resubmit it. Using Turnitin helps maintain academic integrity by identifying an original content and ensuring that sources are properly cited. Turnitin helps ensures academic integrity by detecting potential plagiarism and similarities between submitted work and a vast database of sources, including academic papers and online content. It provides detailed similarity reports that highlight matching text and sources, allowing students and educators to address and correct issues of unoriginality. That's all.